guys, I wanted to do a special video today. This week in our nutrition series, we talked about alcohol. So it kind of got me thinking about craft beers. So today this video is going to be your craft beer calories crash course. So I've got some really good tips on how to find out how many calories are in the craft beer you're about to consume, and some other buzzwords when looking at a beer menu at a restaurant or maybe picking out a six-pack at the grocery store. So the first thing we're going to talk about is ABV, alcohol by volume. I've got a can right here. This is an IPA. So sometimes they will have it on the back of the can where it is right here, or sometimes they'll kind of hide it along this side. So this is the first thing we're going to talk about. So this guy right here, this is 7.1%. Found a really good formula online. It's pretty accurate. I tested it based on some of the beers that I had in my refrigerator. So for all us beer nerds out there, your calorie calculator is going to be your alcohol by volume times 2.5, and then you take that number and you times it by the volume. So these are our buzzwords we want to look for. Barley wine, high calorie. Double, triple, or quad, high calorie. Anything that says doppel tends to be higher in calories. Bock as well, that's a calorie keyword too. Then when they start adding flavors, so bourbon, pumpkin, Christmas ale, coffee stout, raspberry wheat, because they're putting something in there as a flavoring, they've got to add more sugar to it to make it taste better. You know, plain pumpkin doesn't taste very good, so we're going to add a lot more sugar, some more malt, some more caramels. So I do have a sampling of beverages here. So first we're going to start off with a double IPA. So this guy is called The Truth. It's by Flying Dog. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look for my alcohol percentage, and it is 8.7. So big boy here. Lots of calories. So one of my buzzwords here, Imperial. This is telling me that it's a double IPA. So this guy here has 8.7% ABV. Has 260 calories. I checked it by my formula. That's accurate. So the formula works for him. So next I've got a regular IPA. This is High Lie by Cigar City. This guy has 7.1%. Checked it by my formula. And so 225 calories. Formula works well on this one too. Now we get to the murky area. So I've got a couple beers here that didn't follow the formula. So back to my Snake Dog IPA. So he's got 7.1%, but shockingly, he's got 188 calories. He should have 213. I went online, I looked for all my buzzwords, all my different caramels and malts and stuff. I have no clue why this doesn't have 213 calories. So hey, maybe a calorie saver on that guy. Then we come to this Black Butt Porter by Deschutes. He has 5.5% alcohol, and it should have 165 calories. This guy here, he's got 192. I looked it up online. So curious on that. So I got online and went to the brewer's website and looked for those buzzwords, and sure enough, I found chocolate malts, caramel malts, coffee undertones, so that makes sense why this guy's going to have more calories.